The ROV is entering the water.
Confirmed. Maintain tension on the umbilical. We show green across the board.
The structural weakness is centered here, near the grand staircase section.
Acknowledged. Adjusting ROV path for closer inspection.
All pins confirmed secure on the divider block. System check green. Increasing, tension looks good. Affirmative, we have separation from the deck. Keep it steady.
Descent steady, approaching contact.
Roger, looking good. Watch your spacing on the forward mounts.
pressure blast worked well on the main housing.
Yes, but look at the pitting on this manifold. We need to focus on that next.
All right, the deep clean is done. But look here, we need further treatment on this section before the protective coating.
Steady on the pressure, Arjun. We're getting good separation on the barnacles.
Noted. The structural integrity looks sound here, but monitor the flow rate.
We need to ensure this section is completely clear before we start the application.
The thermal sprayer is prepped and ready to go.
Okay, this patch is approved. The coating thickness is right where we need it before the final layer.
We need that frame secured by 1600 hours.
The crane is moving it into position now.
Clear the lower deck. Lower the main support beam slowly. We are stabilizing the keel now.
Confirmed. Laser alignment is locked in.
Hold position, lowering 5 centimeters.
Confirmed. 5 centimeters down. We are aligned.
Start the sequence on joint gamma.
Sequence initiated. Torque at required level.
Readings are stable, engineer.
Alignment confirmed on the starboard side.
Copy that. Bring it down slowly.
Maintain speed and alignment on section 4.
Copy that. Adjusting trajectory now.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Easy now, hold it steady.
The craftsmanship on this molding is exquisite.
Side by.
Yes, the restoration team did an incredible job matching the original specifications.
The veneer here is remarkable.
Twice.
Yes, almost seamless. Make a note of the ceiling molding as well.